With so many productivity apps available, choosing the right one can feel overwhelming. Some are great for managing daily tasks, while others focus on deep work and collaboration. The best app for you depends on your needs and work style. Below are 20 outstanding productivity apps that can help you stay organized, save time, and accomplish more with ease. 1. Notion. Notion is more than just a note-taking app. It's a complete workspace designed to bring structure to your personal and professional life. It allows you to create task lists, manage projects, build databases, and take detailed notes, all in one place. With its powerful database capabilities, you can customize workspaces to fit your workflow, from tracking projects to planning content or organizing research. Collaboration is also seamless, with real-time updates ensuring every team member stays aligned. For those seeking a highly flexible tool, Notion is an excellent choice. 2. Todoist. For those who appreciate simplicity, Todoist is a game changer. This intuitive task manager makes organizing your day effortless by breaking down projects into actionable steps. It helps users set deadlines, prioritize tasks, and assign responsibilities, making it easy to track progress. The clean, distraction-free interface allows you to focus without feeling overwhelmed. Todoist also integrates with other apps, making it a practical tool for those juggling multiple responsibilities. From personal tasks to work projects, Todoist provides a structured approach to getting things done. 3. ClickUp. ClickUp is designed for those who need more than just a task manager. It combines project management, document sharing, goal tracking, and workflow automation into one powerful platform. The customizable views, such as list, board, and calendar modes, allow users to organize tasks in a way that suits them best. With real-time collaboration, built-in time tracking, and integrations with other essential tools, ClickUp eliminates the need for multiple apps. Ideal for businesses and individuals alike, ClickUp is a big solution for maximizing productivity. 4. Asana. When it comes to team collaboration, Asana stands out as a leader. This app helps businesses streamline workflows, delegate tasks, and track progress all in one place. With visual project timelines, automated reminders, and detailed reporting, teams can stay on top of deadlines without confusion. Task dependencies ensure that projects move forward efficiently, and customizable dashboards provide a clear overview of ongoing work. Asana helps businesses maintain structure, ensuring that every team member understands their role and contributions. 5. Trello. Trello simplifies project management with its visually appealing and intuitive design. Using a board and card system, users can map out projects, assign tasks, and track progress effortlessly. The drag-and-drop functionality keeps workflows flexible, while automation features reduce manual effort. Trello is excellent for managing both personal and professional projects, allowing users to break down tasks into manageable steps. Its ease of use and adaptability make it an excellent choice for individuals and teams looking for a straightforward yet powerful organization tool. In conclusion, productivity apps have become essential tools for improving efficiency, reducing workload, and streamlining both personal and professional tasks. With a wide range of features from task management and collaboration to automation and security, these apps offer tailored solutions to suit different needs. Selecting the right app can transform how you work, helping you stay organized, minimize distractions, and make the most of your time. The key is to identify your productivity challenges and explore apps that address them effectively. By integrating the right tools into your daily workflow, you can enhance focus, improve team coordination, and ultimately achieve your goals faster. Thank you for watching this video via AfroConnect. Please let us know what you think via the comments section, and do not forget to subscribe to AfroConnect. Like and share this post before you leave.